So if you're like most brand or business owners, you are looking for a way to connect with your ideal and target audience, but you may not know how. You don't want to seem unapproachable, you don't want to seem stiff, and you want to attract the people who love what you do. And so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I have used YouTube to pretty much create my dream and most amazing audience ever. So if this is you, you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I have used YouTube as an amazing and valuable tool to increase my revenue, increase my audience and my target audience's exposure to me, and then also how I have made thousands of dollars just off of the power of YouTube. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey y'all, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Andrea. I'm a visual branding coach teaching you how to build your brand and increase your income online. So like I always say, for the best business and brand tips you can possibly find, be sure you subscribe to this channel, but then also hit the notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I post, which is on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and sometimes Sundays. And then also you can know when I go live, because I go live a lot now because yeah. So like I said before, if you're looking for a way to increase your sales, if you're looking for a way to just build your audience and attract your qualified, targeted, amazing audience to you and have them fall in love with you and your brand, then you're in the right place. You have clicked on the right video. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and get into step number one in order to accomplish this. So first things first, you need to come up with a really good content strategy plan. Okay, when are you going to post? What are you going to post? How are you going to post? What does it look like to post? What are your topics to post? What are your themes to post, etc.? Okay, you need to have a really good and solid content strategy plan to go forward. All right, so there are three types of content that I'm going to kind of talk about in this section of it. All right, we're going to talk about first and foremost the catch-ons, or what I call the catch-ons. This is pretty much like your trending, your really popular type of content. Okay, you're gonna spend some time researching. You're gonna do this once every quarter, and sometime maybe even once every month or 2 months, but you want to spend some time doing your research to find really good quality content that's going to help skyrocket your channel. Now this doesn't have to be like trends. It is trendy, but it doesn't have to be like a specific trend. It can be something that is just really cool, out of the ordinary, but also in your niche. Okay, and so what I mean with that, so you're gonna spend some time researching that and being able to produce videos that you're gonna spend some time finding, spend some time editing, spend some time filming, and make it like really amazing, so that video can help skyrocket your channel and your views overall. All right, so that's content type number one. Content type number two is what I call the stagnants. This is what is going to be your like weekly videos, your regular uploads that you already upload for your audience. All right, so for me, I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and sometimes Sundays. And so if I'm doing a trending video that I have prepared, like what I will say is success on YouTube is no accident. All right, usually if somebody blows up on YouTube and stays up on YouTube, it was planned and it was on purpose. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. So as you plan out these like really trendy videos, as you plan out your weekly content, think of that in mind. You have to have a strategy. Okay, you have to have a plan. All right, and number three is what I call your presence, your online daily presence. So whether that's on social media, whether that's a video you repost to some other form of social media, whatever that is, but what is going to be your daily presence on social media in general. Whether that doesn't have to mean you have to literally go and post videos every single day. That's not what that means, but you do need to be sure you are showing up daily, because you want your audience to show up daily for you. You need to show up daily for us. Okay, so once a day, we need to see you somewhere online, whether you're reposting something to your story, whether you're talking to your story, whatever that may be, but show up daily. All right, so something I will also mention about your presence online, that's like live videos, that's daily social media posts, that is any types of content that you will be found daily online with. Okay, live videos are a great form of that. Then also scheduling out your social media posts, which is what I do, is a game changer. So that's just a way that I can stay present online and at forefront of your mind, forefront of my audience's mind, whenever they're looking for me or what I offer and how I can help them and stuff like that. So Just wanted to mention that really quick. Also within your content, of course, be sure you're including, like, you're incorporating your goals, your core values, who you are, your true identity in that, because that's what's going to make you stand out. All right. That's going to be very, very important. So be sure you're weaving that in. And if you guys want more of a detailed video on how to incorporate your core values, incorporate your identity, incorporate like your like authentic you into your content, let me know in the comment section, and then I can definitely make a video on that for you as well. So just comment down below, let me know. Also really quick, comment down below, what is your current upload schedule? Let us know in the comments. So also, like I say, this is a dialogue and not just a monologue. So I want you to comment down below, what is your upload schedule and what is one piece of your content marketing strategy that you have? Comment that down below and let's get the conversation started. And if you have questions, of course, always drop us in the comments as well. Okay, step number 2 is to identify your value proposition. Pretty much what this is like your differentiator factor. Like I was saying before, your authentic you. This is what makes you different. This is what makes your content stands out. This is like, okay, cool. Like, you know, what about you is different? Why should somebody want to come watch you over somebody else? Why is your content the best in what you do and how you do it? What in your delivery is unique? You know, like what is your differentiator factor in various different forms? So that's with you, your personality overall. That's within your content. That's with your upload style. That's with your filming style, maybe your editing style, whatever that is. But find your like unique, like differentiator factor and start weaving that in through your content. It may be trial and error. You may be like, that was cute, but I don't like it for, you know, to stay. But whatever it may be, try to figure it out, do trial and error, of course, and try to figure out what that's going to be for you. All right. So, but you have to find what is different about you, what is different about your method. If you're selling something, if you're selling jewelry, what's different about your jewelry compared to so-and-so's jewelry over here? Like, why should I not just go to this store to get some, and why should I buy it from you? You know, so what is your differentiator factor? And this is also just within your brand and your business in general, but this is also something you need to weave into your content throughout your videos, okay? Oh, and before I forget, I do have a brand new Facebook group that is absolutely amazing, and I want you to be a part of it. If you are an influencer, content creator, or small business owner, I need you in the group, okay? And you need to be in the group. It is amazing. It is a group of dynamic individuals, dynamic content creators, influencers, and small business owners looking to build their brands and grow their brands and also increase their income online through the power of YouTube. So if you're not already in the group, you need to get in, all right? But just be sure you answer all the questions or your girl can't let you in, all right? So go ahead and grab the link down below in the description box, and we'll see you inside. Then number 3, of course, is to take action immediately. You can do all the planning you want. You can do all this, all that, which planning, first and foremost, is very important, by the way. So let me not, you know, nullify that. But planning is very important. However, I want you to take action immediately. Okay, cool. When is your upload schedule? And that means, okay, cool. When is your editing schedule? What is your process and how will you go about actually posting your content? All right. And then once you figure all that out, start doing it. It's gonna be trial and error. You may post a few like video like styles and you're like, that's not me. Switch it up. It's okay. Keep going until you land on what you love. All right. This thing is really trial and error and based on what you like, getting your personality to shine through on the camera. And if you need help with that, I will have a video that is linked down below in the description box for you to check out on how to pretty much be yourself on camera, have your audience fall in love with you, etc. All right. So like I said before, execute on your plan and adjust based on your analytics and your numbers. Okay. So even though this may be a great video for you, even though the video you uploaded may be, you know, you're like, this is the best video ever. If it is not showing in your numbers, there's something you need to adjust. Okay. Give it time. Don't just give up after the first video in that type of topic. Look at your numbers, evaluate, and then reassess and then go for it. Okay. Just keep going. All right. And what I will say, if equipment is keeping you from going after it full throttle, you're like, well, I don't know what type of camera to use, Drea. Like, I don't know how to edit, all that other stuff. I have videos that I will link down below in the description box for you. I will put the thumbnail up here for you guys to check out, but I want you to go check out the video down below in the description box. But then also I have a ultimate creator kit for you that I have created with everything that I use to film my YouTube videos. All right. So I have that linked down below. So check that out as well. It's in the description box. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. If it was, of course, let me know by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with someone who you know needs it. If you have a fellow small business owner, a fellow entrepreneur, a fellow content creator, and you're like, oh my gosh, like this video will be really helpful for them, send it to them. Of course, not in no passive aggressive way, like we say. Just be like, hey sis, this really helped me, and I think this would really help you as well. Check it out. You know, just share the love, help your sister out, help your brother out, whatever it may be. So yeah, anyway, you guys, I love you so much. If you have any questions, you have anything you want to share, comment down below. Remember, this thing is a dialogue. We are a community, and you guys are amazing. So comment down below anything you may want. Of course, you know, that's nice and friendly. Yeah. Anyway, comment down below any questions or feedback or life problems or anything else you may have down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.